Buenas a todos, yo soy Romeo y este día coci kita el pasta con mariscos.
Prepara kita ahos y katumbal acabar sa hakita con este pino-pino. Imbaw o white clam el mariscos kita usa este día. Pwede kita poner anay na un taza lleno de agua para sapa el arena. Cook your pasta of choice and set aside. In another pan, heat up olive oil, garlic, chilies, add a splash of white wine, and the imbaw or clams. Chavacanos don't usually cook imbaw this way. When you think of imbaw, it's either in a soup or baked with crunchy, savory garlic oil. But Chavacano cuisine as a philosophy, we like adapting, we like mixing and incorporating from other cuisines. And given the abundance of fresh seafood in Zamboanga, this simple but hearty dish is worth a try. Add in your pasta, some pasta water, toss a bit, and plate.
Very simple dish, 3 to 5 ingredients, that's all you need. Para probar kita, el finished product. Perfecto, pwede ka vender. Ya, komea kita.